Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTECH with the unboxing of this most expensive USB unifying receiver by Logitech that connects up to 6 unifying devices of the same brand with a connection up to 2.4 GHz. This tiny USB receiver does all the magic, and to be totally honest, that's the only way you can connect all your Logitech devices with one USB dongle. This is the way. You just have to buy this really expensive chewing gum box of the USB receiver and unbox it like I should do right now. Okay, we just have to break this seal here. I should praise Logitech for their sealing technique here of this box, so you won't lose their precious dongle, which by the way it's really tiny. So if by any chance you lose your USB dongle, you just have to buy this one. This is the only way to reuse your compatible Logitech device. Anyway, we just have to use a knife here. So we're back and we're going to cut this up and check the USB inside just in a minute. I should be really careful here not to damage their USB receiver. I hope it will be actually tiny. Okay, here we have it, and okay, here it is mounted inside this empty now cardboard box. And here we have the USB stick that cost almost as much as an Ergon Strawberry, but at least you can use it all the time with your computer and using your Logitech device that is supported. Given that you won't lose it, makes this a sensible purchase. At the end of the day, you pay for the tech you buy. Now, instead of a manual, we have the connection guide here, and you should download the driver for it to work, because apparently you can afford to pay for internet for making such a purchase. Now, finally, we have some paperwork for your butler to read, and that's the reason you should subscribe and like for more.